me and wifey just got done what we needed to do at this specific location. I scheduled an appointment to have like a full vitals panel done. Like literally, it's so many different things on that piece of paper that they're going to run tests on for a woman my age, which I think is super needed, because a lot of times when you go get blood work done or when you go get exams done, it's just the basics, not everything. Which I actually have the paper right here. Let me see. Like, I feel like that's foreign person, bro. You would think this is just the standard in my country, but it ain't. So for the exams, which will technically fall under the advanced checkup list, I would be getting physical examination, an eye examination, dental screening, hearing examination, complete blood count, fasting blood sugar, HbA1c, triglyceride, HDL, LDL, cholesterol, bun, creatine, SGLT, SGPT. I gotta make sure I'm reading the right thing. Uric acid, urine examination, stool exam, and clip blood, cervical cancer screening, human papilloma virus screening, EKG, ABI, chest x-ray, ultrasound of whole abdomen, report book, flu coupon. Service duration is about 3 to 4 hours, and altogether, right? It literally gives you a breakdown. Let me see something. It literally gives you a breakdown by age and by, your sex of what you are supposed to get as far as an exam or screening when you come in, which, bro, like, this is important. This is needed. This is the type of stuff that I need to be doing, not going to get blood drawn and them not telling me none of these things. And all of this will only cost me $300 and some change. That's mind-blowing. Baby, I had an actual eye exam done just now, and I think we might have got here at like 12 something. What time is it?
You got my phone. 3:20.
It's 3:20 and we're leaving. She had an eye exam and she didn't have to wait another day to get a specialty doctor, and she got a referral today. And how much did you pay, baby?
180 baht.
Which is, how much is the age? 180 baht? All right, then. I'm just blown away, like, and as you can see, like, this place is just so clean. I mean, you can tell they just did like renovations and stuff, but
$5.68, so $6.
$6
to be seen.
Mind you, we waited, but that's okay. To be seen by an eye doctor. Bro. Tapunka. It doesn't get any better than that. Like,
and it was a walk-in. I expected to wait,
Hold on, let me switch. Yes, it was a complete walk-in, bro. Like, super just, tomorrow we're going to the Bangkok hospital and we're going to go get a checkup done. And tomorrow is basically right now, today. But we didn't have no pre-scheduled appointments, no nothing. Like I said, I scheduled my appointment, which is for the screening and exams for this coming Monday. Right, because I got to fast, which, okay, that's cool. But the fact that we got all that stuff done and was in and out, and how much it costs. If I haven't told you this in any of my videos yet, I need you to move out the country. There's no reason why you have to stay in the United States of America. There's over 180 something countries in this world. And you mean to tell me you only want to stay in one because of your comfortability, because of what you're accustomed to, because of what your family and friends do? I think not. I think not. I think there's more to life and there's better options in life, and you need to experience that. Move out the USA. Move out of whatever country you're from, and experience other things. I'm telling you, you won't regret it.